Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a sneaker cleaning business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a sneaker cleaning business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. The concept of a shoe cleaning business is unique. A shoe cleaning business would be ideal for someone living in a metropolis with a high population density of ultra-busy people. People's awareness of hygiene and footwear care is growing by the day. Everyone wants clean shoes, especially sports shoes, after each use. However, most of us do not know how to properly clean it. This business can be started by purchasing a franchise or as a home-based venture with little startup capital. The shoe cleaning business includes the services of collecting shoes, cleaning and repairing them as needed, delivering the shoes to the client's doorsteps, and collecting payments. Here are a few steps to starting a successful shoe cleaning business. 1. Learn about the local market. It is critical to understand the local market before starting a shoe cleaning business. In general, this industry thrives in large cities with affluent customers. Conduct market research and collect data on market size, trends, and local competition. Plan the business and look for opportunities based on the information. 2. Determine your target market. It is critical to first identify a niche target audience to whom you will cater. The shoe care market is divided into 4 categories: formal, casual, sneakers, and sports shoes. When you build customer trust in any of the niches, you can scale it up when the time comes. 3. Give your company a name. Choosing the right name is another critical aspect of running a successful business. Your name should be memorable and appealing so that customers can easily relate to your services. 4. Business plan for shoe cleaning. Before you begin this business, you must have a detailed business plan. Before starting a shoe cleaning business, write down the entire process of providing services to your clients. Determine your target audience and how you will promote your company. Calculate a startup budget as well as the expected revenue return. Some of the fundamental aspects of your shoe cleaning business plan must include the following. 1. What are the initial and ongoing costs? 2. Your target market. 3. Pricing strategy. 4. Where and how should shoe cleaning services be sold? 5. Permits and licenses. The shoe wash business, like any other, will require licenses to operate in your area. Check with the local authorities and obtain the permits required to begin and continue operations. If you want to run a hassle-free, legally compliant business, don't forget to register your company. Every state and country has its own company formation structure. However, if you are just starting out and have a limited budget, the proprietorship is the most popular option. 6. Tool and equipment for shoe cleaning. You will need cleaning space to begin a shoe cleaning business. Consider having some office space for things like ordering, scheduling deliveries, billing, and so on. You'll need some tools, such as a shoe washing machine and a drying machine. Purchase machinery from reputable suppliers based on your specifications. On the market, customized machines are available. You will also require cleaning supplies. Different solutions are required for different types of shoes. 7. Employ skilled labor. Hire professional shoe cleaning services. As this is a service industry, success is all about satisfying customers with high-quality work while staying on schedule. Hire experienced workers who are well-versed in shoe cleaning. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a sneaker cleaning business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.